You've done all the things. You watched all the tutorials. You think you followed all of the instructions, and still later on in the day, your foundation is fading. It's separating, especially around your nose and your mouth. We're going to solve that problem today. If we're meeting for the first time, my name's Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm 57 with very oily skin, so I know a little bit about foundation misbehaving later on in the day. Setting spray is your best friend. First thing I do when I start my makeup process is I apply a spritz of setting spray. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply all of my liquids and creams. So I'm going to apply my foundation. I prefer using a brush. I think it just gives a better, flawless foundation finish. I'm going to skip the under eye area. I'm going to save that area for color corrector and then concealer. I'm going to zip right through that because the most important part is what happens after all of the creams and all of the liquids are applied. Okay, obviously my makeup is not done, but all of my cream and liquid products are on. Here's the step that really locks your makeup in all day long. Take your setting spray. This is my favorite, affordable, works all the time, never lets me down, and a damp beauty sponge. I spray my face with the setting spray and then take the damp beauty blender and just bounce this all over my face, especially in those problem areas. Everywhere, but really concentrating in those problem areas. Here's what this does. Obviously, the setting spray is going to do what it's supposed to do. It's going to act like hairspray for your face. It just solidifies your makeup, keeps it in place all day long. But the magic comes by bouncing the makeup sponge all over your face. The first thing it does is it blends any areas where maybe you didn't blend it as well as you wanted to, but it also picks up any excess makeup. If you have excess makeup underneath your eyes, it helps that from creasing. If you have excess makeup around your nose and your mouth, that helps that from separating. I'm telling you, the combination of the two, you will be amazed how much better your makeup will look all day long. I've been using the combination of these two for years, and it's a game changer, especially for my mature, oily skin. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like and subscribe. If you want more super simple makeup tips for our mature skin, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.